Oh man, so in a market full of red, MATIC is the shining light, up 4 to 5% today in the market, despite the market bleeding and Bitcoin having a little bit of a dump. If you don't know what's happening with Bitcoin and why it fell and how much further it could fall, go check out my video earlier in the day of what happened with Bitcoin. But in this video, I'm going to update you on MATIC and how my trade is getting on. Because you remember on the daily chart, MATIC was forming this massive cup and handle pattern, which we've been monitoring since the 15th of June. It started forming, and we were waiting for an entry point at the break of the handle. You remember I posted the video yesterday on my MATIC trade suggesting that we've now broken the handle, and I've started very gently scaling in my position. And then we got the massive wick down as Bitcoin fell down. Now, this was super bad timing on a pattern we were forming for a very long time, but you can see here how MATIC on the hourly chart has managed to shrug this off. This is it on the hourly chart. MATIC broke out of the cup and handle pattern. It went down for a retest. I was feeling very confident here because we were retesting the neckline. We headed back to the upside. We're going to break through the heavy important resistance at $1.92, and then Bitcoin went for a dump, right? Bitcoin went for a dump. This wicked all the way down to $1.60. Imagine you could have picked that up if you were quick with your fingers and your apps. You would have been able to pick that up, and you could have rode this back up because it's bounced up really powerfully before getting slightly rejected down now. But overall, it's been a good recovery, and we need MATIC to now retest that 192. We need it to build some strength, create a higher low, and really start uptrending now. It's a really bad timing that Bitcoin decided to dump at this point when we were getting a breakout of this cup and handle pattern. It's messed up some of the momentum, but we're still in our trade. Our stop loss was not hit. We're still here on the upside, and you can see from the daily candle that MATIC has ridden this like a champ, right? And you can see a lot, and you can find out a lot about which altcoins have good momentum right now by looking at how they've managed to deal with this wick today. Okay, so you can see MATIC came in really low, it pushed really high past 192, and then it got sent back down. So we're going to have a bit of a fight in this range over the next couple of days on MATIC, but please remember the long-term aim is our price target sitting pretty at $2.80 on MATIC. Now, just to remind you guys of where we're at, let's take out our EMA ribbon, because I know a lot of people are still concerned. Look at this. How can you be concerned? Massive pump from the EMA ribbon, continuation pattern, another move to the upside. And even if we came down, even on that massive wick down, look at the extension from the EMA ribbon. We're super bullish right now. Good volume in the market. Let's see if I can show you guys the volume. There you go. You should be able to see the volume. Good volume there in the market, so we cannot complain. We got some room on the RSI, although we're heading to the red territory. I think that's because the buy in the dip was very excessive and pushed us straight above $1.92. We're going to have to break this $1.92 resistance with a bit of patience. It's not going to happen immediately overnight. It's a very important resistance level dating quite far back into the early parts of this year. And therefore, it's going to take some challenge to beat that. But once we beat that, we've got clear skies and we can head towards our price target of $2.80 on MATIC. Let's take another look at the hourly, because you can see on the hourly charts, we've managed to get a good bounce off our EMA, okay? This was the throw up that Bitcoin did. So it vomited there. And we managed to pick it back up and get support from our EMA ribbon. I love how we bounce here off the ribbon. That's really good. We're now getting a bounce off the ribbon again. We just need to get a good bounce here. You can see there, intra-candle, you can see by the wick that the bulls have come in at the EMA ribbon and tried to fight it back. Now, we need to not lose this ribbon, okay? We need to keep above this ribbon. We've been above this ribbon since we broke out on the hourly chart. We've been bullish on this ribbon since we've broke out, okay? We nearly flipped bearish here, but we didn't get a close well, we technically did get some closes beneath, but I'd say we kept the ribbon here because the momentum was still with us, and we're still in our uptrend, okay? So really important that we monitor that on MATIC. But as always, guys, please be super, super careful on any coins, like any altcoins, even the strong altcoins in a market like this, because when Bitcoin decides to fall and decides to tank, all of our altcoins are going to get hurt, right? That's just how it goes. You saw how the whole market is super red right now. Algorand's down 10%, Solana's down 6%. You've got Phantom down 1%. You can see which coins are strong right now based on how quickly they picked that up, right? So you got Solana down 6%, Algorand down 10%, but Phantom's only down 1.4%. Shows how much bullish momentum is in there. You've got Ethereum down 3.84%. You've got Cardano down 8%, which makes sense because it's been quite weak. And you can see a few others. Koti down 11%. Again, it was quite weak along with ADA. And Shiba Inu is crazy, up at 41%. So there's your update on MATIC. Still long on MATIC in the position. Still waiting for this cup and handle pattern to either continue to the upside on the breakout or if it becomes invalidated, I'll take off my position as we get signs that the cup and handle pattern is invalidated. As you guys know, MATIC is a super long-term hold for me. It's in my altcoin portfolio. If you haven't seen that video, click here somewhere. I'll put that up here. It's a long-term play. It's a great project, a great layer 2, and it's something I'm hodling. But at the same time, if I see a pattern like this, I'm going to want to trade it. So there you have it, guys. As always, if you like my blend between technical and fundamental analysis on some of your favorite cryptos, then please consider hitting the like button and subscribing. As always, I'll leave the link to our free public Discord server where you can meet like-minded individuals, you can ask questions, you can bring your favorite cryptos and ask me questions. I spend time in there as well. Please click that link below, head into the server, meet the community, ask questions. Let's learn together and grow the community together. If you want to support this channel, then please consider hitting the join button. There'll be a separate join button where you become a member of this channel. You support this channel. You'll get a badge next to your name to show that you've been here since the early days, which is awesome. But you also get access to our community section, okay? It'll be a members only community section where you can ask questions on your favorite cryptos directly to me, and I make the commitment to answer those for you. As always, guys, if you like this video, please continue supporting, and we'll see you in the next one.